In front of me is Samsung Tab Active4 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can connect it using Bluetooth. Begin by opening Settings and tapping on Connections. Then select Bluetooth and click on this switcher at the top if it's not already on. Now just wait for available devices to show up, and when they do, click on the one that you wish to connect to. Then select Pair in the pop-up and wait for the other device to accept your connection request. As you can see, my devices were successfully connected. To disconnect them, use this gear next to your device and hit Unpair at the bottom right corner. Then confirm your choice in the pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!